Good morning students. As you know, we are doing the chapter Bills of Exchange. We have learned different type of conditions in this chapter. Today's topic is dishonor of the bill. After selling the goods, when drawer writes a bill on the drawing, and when maturity date comes, at that time drawer goes to the drawing, and at that time if Dries denies to give the payment to drawer, at that time the bill dishonored. What is the accounting treatment in different stages we will see here. Okay, have a look. Suppose after writing the bill on maturity date, when Dries denies the bill, at that time we will pass. This will be the first condition when the bill was to the drawer, means X. We are taking the name of the drawer is X and the name of the drawing is Y. So first, what will be the first condition? You will see here, by David to DR account to cash account. This will be the first condition. And what will be the entry on the maturity date in the books of Y, means drawing? Here you will pass the entry DP account debit, noting charges, noting charges account debit to X. And suppose we are taking the amount of the bill is 1000, so we will write here 1000, and at that time when Y denies to give the payment, X will go to the court, and what the legal expenses will be there, means X will have to do the some legal expenses that will also be charged from Y. But here we will mention the legal expenses by the name of noting charges. Noting charges and legal expenses is the same thing. But in the books of X, in the books of Dreyer, we will show that legal expenses or noting charges by the name of cash. Suppose the amount of legal expenses or noting charges will be 50. So after writing here, we will add these two amounts and we will pass here 1050. But on the opposite side, you will write in this way 1000 for BP. Here you will mention noting charges, and in the books of Dreyer you will write cash. This is the first condition. So we will write here 50 rupees for noting charges, and after adding these two sums, we will write here 1050. Okay, this is the first condition. Now student, you will have to understand that if suppose the bill was written after selling the goods by X and he discounted the bill. We have learned about the discounted of the bill in the previous video. So X has discounted the bill from his bank at some rate of discount, and after that who will go to the drawing? Bank will go to the drawing because the bill is on the bank. So this will be the second condition, when bank will go to the drawing and drawing denies to give the payment to bank. Okay, this will be the second condition. So we will write here second condition. This is the condition number first, and this is the condition number second. At that time, what the entry of dishonor of the bill we will see here at that time we will write here by debit to bank. By debit to bank. This will be the second condition. And you will add the amount of noting charges in the amount of bill. You cannot make that entry of noting charges separately. In the first condition, we will show here separately, but in the books of drawer, we will add the amount of bill into amount of noting charges into the amount of bill, and after that we will write here 1050 rupees. Okay. Now in the books of dry we will make same entry, there will be no difference. BP account debit noting charges account debit to X. There will be no difference in the first condition or in the second condition. Entry would be the same and amount will be written in the same manner, 1050, and total of these two amounts is 1050. Now we will see the third condition. What is third condition? After selling the goods, the bill is written by X, means drawer, and after that, before maturity date, the X has given the bill to Z. This is the third party, means that is endorsee. That was the creditor for the X. X has purchased the goods from from Z, and Z is asking for the payment. So X will give the bill of buy to Z, and after that when Z will go to Y, as in the second condition you have seen bank has gone to the Y. In the same way, in the third condition, now the bill, where is the bill? Bill is to the Z. So Z will go to the Y, and Y will deny at that time to give the payment on maturity date to Z. This is the third condition. It means we can say after endorsement when will was dishonored. Okay. So we will write here third condition. Third condition, we will write here Y debit to Z. This will be the third condition. After endorsement, the dishonor was happened at that time in the books of X. This entry will be passed, and the amount of noting charges will also be added in this entry 1050. But in the third condition you will see the entry would be same in the books of drawing. BP account debit noting charges account debit to X. Entry would be same and the amount would be the same, 1050 and 1050. Now we will see the fourth and last condition of dishonor. Condition number 4. Students, when the drawer deposits the bill of buy into the bank, but X does not take the payment from the bank, but X deposited the bill for the point of view. This point of view is that the bill should be saved, and when the maturity date comes, the bank will go to the buy, and buy will give the payment to the bank, and bank will credit it the amount. Okay, but when bill was deposited in the bank and X has not taken the money from the bank, this is the fourth condition. The bill sent to bank for collection. Okay, and on the maturity date, when bank goes to the buy and buy denies to give the payment, this is the fourth condition of dishonor. So we will pass the entry here, by debit to bank, and the amount will be added, noting charges will be added in the amount of bill. Now you can see this is like the second entry. Second condition and fourth condition is the same, but the logic, but the base is different. In the second entry, X has taken the money of the bill from the bank. After that, this type of entry will be made in the books of X, and in the fourth condition, X has not taken the money from the bank but deposits the bill of buy into the bank for safety point of view. Okay, so and the fourth condition, in the books of buy the entry would be same, BP account debit, noting charges account debit to X, and amount will be written in the same way, 1050 rupees for noting charges, and the total would be 1050. So students, we can say in the books of buy, means in the books of drawing, entry will be same. Entry will remain same in the first condition, second condition, fourth condition, and third condition, and in fourth condition also. But you are seeing here the entry is different. This is the first condition when the bill is kept to the drawer, and this is the second condition when the bill was discounted from the bank. This is the third condition when the bill was endorsed, and after that the bill was dishonored, and this is the fourth condition when bill was sent to bank for collection, but the amount is not taken by X. At that time, when bank goes to buy and buy denies to give the payment and the bill dishonors. So this is the fourth condition. So students, you will learn four condition of the dishonor, and after this, when you will learn, you will do the questions. I will discuss some more questions related dishonor. Okay, till then, stay home, stay safe.